Many young people have too high expectations of human nature and love. They always tend to have unrealistic expectations, so it's easy for them to get hurt. Many young people think too much but do too little. We should take care of the things in front of us, especially in work. We must find ways to make ourselves outstanding. We don't have to compare ourselves with others, but we can compare today with yesterday. After starting to work, there are many things no one tells us specific answers. So we need to observe the changes around us, learn what we are not good at and improve. Many young people are too eager for success. What they only value is the result, while the process is ignored. But without the right process, how can people get good results? Many young people are too rash about lifelong choices. When choosing a school, a major, the first job, a partner, some young people are too reckless. Most of them rely on feelings and they don't do any detailed research or consulted experienced people when choosing. In this way, making the wrong choice is a high probability event. For most of things in life, when you choose wrong, you can hardly go back. Many young people are easily influenced by some seemingly right opinions. Many young people neglect themselves too much. When being bullied, they say nothing. When their own interests are violated, they do not strive for it. When there are something they don't want to do, they don't refuse. Young people should learn how to fight for themselves. Some young people tend to rationalize their laziness. Subconsciously, they are too optimistic and always feel that life will gradually get better and I have not started to work hard, while their planning of life is always lagging behind. Many young people do not see their future responsibilities, do not cherish time, and do not understand that time is their greatest capital. They think that their life is still long. There is a plenty of time, many things are not in a hurry to do, and they have the opportunity later to work hard to accomplish something eventually. Thus they waste a lot of time, but in fact, as time flies by, the cost of testing and making mistakes will become higher and higher. Some young people always consider many things from their own perspective, never from the perspective of the industry, organization or leader or trend. They care too much about themselves, enlarges their feelings and ignores the fact of itself. Many young people are unwilling to compliment others.